Okay, hi, YouTube. Today, just a minute ago, me and Jenna, and so, yeah, outside just now, we went outside and the snow is so high we could sink in it. Right, Jenna?
Yeah, it was at least like leg high.
Yeah. And then, so, we keep on falling. Yeah. And, well, I was so stupid that I told Jenna and I to get on top of my,
Little pond.
And it was like all covered in snow. And so I'm like, okay, let's just put our feet in it. And then, so, Jenna's shoe got lost in it.
Yeah, when we finally dug it out, it had this murky, gross brown goo coming out of it.
Yeah, so we had to dig a hole to get it out. Yeah, it wasn't funny. Well, it was, but...
No, it wasn't. It was disgusting. And then my foot was just sitting there all cold.
No, but like, so
well,
like, dug it out.
It was pretty disgusting, though.
Yeah, it was. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Enjoy this picture.
Be safe.
Huh?
And don't walk in ponds. Yeah,
don't walk in ponds. You might lose your shoe. Okay, enjoy this picture of a SpongeBob.
Julia, not close my face is showing.
Yeah,
Julia, just in the video. She's a little messed up in the head.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. She is. Okay, we're going to go, so peace and have a fun Blizzard day. Right, Jenna?
If you do have snow, yeah, be safe.
So bye.